This is not the pitch accent example. This is the example of the importance of vowel. わかりました means I've got it. I understood. わかれました means I broke up. わかりました is the polite and past tense of the verb わかる which means to understand. わかる turns into わかります which is its polite form, and わかります turns into わかりました the past tense. So わかりました means understood. わかれました is the polite and past tense of the verb わかれる わかれる which means to break up or to be separated. わかれる turns into わかれます which is its polite form, and わかれます turns into わかれました the past tense. So わかれました means I broke up. So maybe you can come across the kind of situation. ジェンちゃん、田中君と付き合ってるんだって。話聞かせて。はい、別れました。え？もう別れたの？ Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese pronunciation. Japanese people understand the meaning by its context. So don't worry about it too much. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。